Yeah, hi there. Just doing a bit of a video on the geotech requirements for Lot 2, 1015, Coatesville Riverhead Highway. There is a report attached for the original subdivision, but we would like a proposal. Basically, the scope would be that the proposed house is sitting quite far back towards the south, which is quite steep, so we'd be cutting into the bank on the south and wanting to reuse the fill to bring up the northern platform level. So I'll show you in a section. So pretty much cutting in about 2.1 at the back, and we'd like to bring that in and fill this um, up to about 2.2. There will be a timber retaining wall right on this boundary line. It's not so much a boundary line, it's just a line that enables the clients to subdivide at a future date. So it's important that it needs to be designed as a boundary retaining wall. So that's pretty much it. Uh, so I'll just flick around. So that's the site there. You can see by the topo surface it's quite steep at the back, and it's basically cutting out towards the south and using it on the north as a fill. And the indicative boundary line is the edge of the deck to allow subdivision later on if possible. Well, if the clients wanted to further down the track, then so it's just a question of the existing report doesn't show a bore test towards the south. There's two sort of tests, so I'm just wondering, do we need to actually get a test done in the south towards the middle? Anyway, thanks very much. Any questions, fire them through. I've sent the plans through and the report. We'll hear from you shortly.